Imagine a safe haven where your essential needs are being met while you're attending your child's complex health care. Penn State Health, Milton Hershey Medical Center admits many families with an ill child who travel from different cities, states, and even countries to receive essential medical care. The Ronald McDonald House, located across from the Medical Center campus, serves as that safe haven, providing temporary hotel-style housing with many of the comforts of home. Their volunteer guest chef program invites volunteers in each day to prepare the evening meal for the temporary residents. On this day in July 2024, a group of Penn State Health young adults who have or had cancer altruistically gathered at the Ronald McDonald House kitchen to give back through service. They shared stories and common experiences that so few people can grasp, while also preparing 50 meals for the guests of the Ronald McDonald House that evening. Following the service project, the young adults continued their dialogue during a recording of the Life on Pause podcast, focusing the talk on various ways living through cancer affects their relationship with food. Tune into the Life on Pause podcast or YouTube channel to hear what they shared. Help teens and young adults connect through their shared experiences of living with cancer. Donate today. Funds for Life on Pause are generously donated by 4 Diamonds. Life on Pause is a Penn State Health pediatric oncology program that engages adolescents and young adults living through cancer.